Are you dreaming of owning a home in Canada, but you cannot qualify for a traditional mortgage because of insufficient credit score or not enough money for the down payment? Well, worry no more. The Equity Homes Rent to Own program is here to help you. Their initiative allows Canadian residents to rent an eligible home with the option to buy it later. If you are eligible, Equity Homes will purchase a home on your behalf and you will enter a rent to own agreement with them. This program is a fantastic opportunity to build equity and work towards your own home ownership without the upfront costs. It's awesome. Equity Homes really wants to make home ownership more attainable for Canadian residents. Equity Homes has created a fair and flexible alternative path to home ownership through this modernized rent to own program. But to qualify, you must meet certain criteria. So, why don't you go ahead and check out the link below to find out if you qualify and are a potential match for the program? You could be on your way to buying your own home soon. Go ahead and check if you qualify.